Hello guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to be installing my fence posts, basically 230 feet of fence posts and stuff, guys. Enjoy. I'm going to show you the process, what I'm going to be going
guys,
through.
so basically I got all the pickets. I started already wrapping this up. Everything where it's going to be. This is my driveway here. This is where the gates will open. This is a pretty wide gate here. It's about like 16 foot. I'm gonna have a little section of fence, then I'm gonna have another little opening here, like a little door, and then it continues on over here. And looks like I got the sand right behind it, just like where I need it. So then I have a fence line all over there, and then it's gonna come across and then meet right there at the garage. Let me show you that. That's the garage right here. I'm also going to have a gate here about, I think it's like 16, no, like a 12-foot gate or something like that. This piles of dirt that is kind of like next to my garage here will actually, I'm going to even them out. I'm going to push them kind of like towards the bottom. So anyways, guys, for my garage that's going to go here, I'm going to like even out all of this terrain here. This is like stuff I ordered. And then I'm going to like just keep pushing it down until I get a nice little square. Anyways, guys, I got all the posts in. I got a total of 30 posts, basically 31 sections. I'm going to need 93 pieces of lumber, just to have like the 3 going, including all the gates. Plus I need to add 10 because there's going to be some vertical lines. So I'm gonna have 103 treated 2x4s that I need to buy, and I'm basically going to install them over there, and like that. Basically it's gonna be a gate here, a gate right there, a little gate right there, total 5 obviously gates. All the holes are got them all right here. You could tell this is not like a 4x4 type of wood. This is maybe like 2.5x3 or something, whatever way they calculate this. They didn't have the size. So I'm going to need to go ahead and get some cement and start filling in this. I have an entire pallet over here of 42 bags of 80-pound stuff, guys. So what I'm going to try to do is go ahead and spread them around, like put like 1 to each type of section. And obviously if I'll need more, I'll buy more. After this, I'm making a trip to Home Depot because technically, according to my calculation, I would need about 20 more bags, but we will see. So anyways, guys, all the fence posts are in. I was working real hard till last night just to get everything installed. My entry, this is gonna be like double gate. This is like 18.5 feet wide. And despite some of the fence looking crooked like that one, it's really not. Everything is exactly level. It's my flagpole is actually leaning a little bit over here. But basically every single pole that I have installed, guys, I've used the level on the side and the back, so everything is nice and flush. Here's all the cement. So everything's probably dry about now that I'm doing, and it's actually going to be much taller than these poles. And look, this is actually taller than me. It's going to be 8 foot tall. Lots of privacy. And everything is looking pretty good for now. I got the kids' sandbox basically in here. This was gonna be used for brick fencing and stuff like that. That's that type of some sand. So anyways, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. In the next video I'm gonna actually be putting the fence together. There's still a lot to do. I still gotta do like the 3 wooden cross sections and stuff like that, and then I actually gotta go to like Home Depot and actually buy the actual fence posts. This type of build I already calculated, guys. It's going to cost me like right around like $1,800 to $2,000 just for the front section. So for me to do all the fencing around my property is going to be like probably like a little bit over 8 grand, guys. So not that cheap, but at the same time, this is what I could afford. So this is actually what I'm doing. Initially, what I was planning to do is just go ahead and just do like a brick fence, like over here, like in front. And obviously it's going to cost a lot more. Like just some brick alone is going to be costing like $8,000. And I figured
I don't want to really spend that much, at least right now, because there's so much other things I need to do. Like I need to build a shop, and I need to do all kinds of stuff with the house and stuff like that. There's just a lot of money going out everywhere. So I kind of figured, look, privacy is important. Go ahead and put a fence up. It's going to allow me to do like car projects behind my fence. Nobody's going to be able to look in. Plus, it's going to block this noise out. Like right now, obviously, you know, there's cars going by and stuff like that, and it's pretty noisy. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and see you in my next video.